Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? It's a really great news for all Pancakeswap holder. I can't expect this, my friend, from Pancakeswap Explorer, especially not for all crypto market. My brother, today will wake up like that, but definitely all currencies is wake up and completely gonna be profit now. So what's the reason, my friend? Everything I will, my friends, tell you in this video. But first of all, the update is very important. So this time, my brother, the Pancakeswap from last 7 days minus 12.58% loss now, and last 24 hours plus 4.6% they will take a profit. But again in last 1 hour plus minus 0.2% they are lost now. So that's mean, my brothers, to this time Pancakeswap is going to be profit now in last 24 hours. So that's a very good news. I hope, my brother, they will hit $20 at the end of month, but that's all just only possible, my friend, if a holder are holding now. So why you miss this chance, my brother? Please take a very good profit at the end of month and hold it now. This time, my brother, the coin is completely in the profit, but definitely especially when a short-term investor starting selling, so they were completely dumps down and they cannot give you a profit. So don't miss this chance. I hope, my brother, at the end of month every coin will get a profit. So don't miss this chance. Hope you understand. Please like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this stuff urgent and updates videos. See you next time, holder. Please, my prediction is going to be positive now. 70% chance today will wake up, because expert says today will wake up. So definitely, my friend, I give you a news, and please you research personally before you take any my friends take a decision. Please, this is not a financial video. I hope you understand now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.